Welcome, everyone, to Ocean City, Maryland. And it's March in like a lion time here, and we're cooking a meal for, well, I think it's appropriate. So, what we got in there, Angie?
Well, we got some kielbasa, whole potatoes, fresh cut onions, and sauerkraut.
That's homemade sauerkraut
Homemade sauerkraut,
right from
our neighbor,
our friend Preston, right?
Yeah,
it was canned, right?
Absolutely.
So that's what we got going on there, right?
Yes,
yep,
exactly.
And so what we're gonna do is we're gonna show everybody that it really is in like a lion. We're gonna take a walk outside, right, and check out what the weather is like. Oh, yeah, that's a busy kitchen. There's no doubt about that between all the crafts. Hey, but check this out first, though. This is, we got a grow light on here, and we brought the babies inside, and I think we're going to have to keep them inside for about a week. It's going to be cold next week, so. Oh, look at all these cool candles and everything else that Angie makes here. Oh, look at all the crazy wreaths. Oh, I know. It's like a little museum in here. Oh, well, it is what it is. You know, we got more light here. Open the door. All right, so here's the deal. All right. So, it's not coming down real hard, but you can see that snow. Yeah, it changed to snow about, about 1 to 2 hours ago. Still above freezing, but it's dropping. It's down to 34 degrees. So March is definitely still in like a lion here in Ocean City, Maryland. Thanks for watching, everybody, and get ready for the St. Patrick's Day parade. Now, I've got to work Saturday morning, so hopefully I can at least get a little bit of footage. Okay, so take care, everybody, and wow, yeah. In like a lion? Are we going to go out like a lamb? We'll have to wait and see.